The current generation Suzuki Swift has been around for quite a while since it was announced in 2016. Since then, its tiny footprint has reached several markets globally except in the US, where the Japanese company only sells motorcycles and outboard motors for marine vehicles. Suzuki has done quite a great job in concealing details of the Swift for its first outing. However, a closer look at the spy photos does reveal definite changes in the next generation model, which appears to be sleeker than the current generation model. Up front, the hood presents a smoother mold compared to the outgoing models, plus the cutout of the bonnet itself differs from the A2L generation. A bigger and restyled LED headlamp configuration peeks through the concealment. The concealments on the rear are thick on the Spy prototype, though it's evident that the next-gen model will have a more trapezoidal rear windshield. A set of revamped taillights is also expected, plus there are now reflectors on the lower rear bumper. The next-generation Suzuki Swift will likely be introduced in 2023 for the 2024 model year, so expect more spy photos of the little hatchback while in its testing phase.